and switch to your Microsoft Office Online.
Okay.
Let me just go to my Microsoft here. And as I told you, I use the I use Edge. This that you see in my background is the browser Edge. It's a Microsoft browser that comes in with Windows 10. This one, it makes it really easy because I can just sign in directly to it, and it has a link to it. So I just click and I'm in it. I don't have to be signing in or anything like that. Okay. So if you use your Google Chrome for a lot of things and you want to use a specific browser for this, you can use Edge, or you can download Firefox or Brave, or there's a bunch of different browsers, okay, that allow you to set up a different account. So that when you don't mess around with the stuff that you have on another browser, which is why I did this. Because in this browser, as I said before, I only have the stuff for our class. And then in Google Chrome, I have my stuff for my morning class. So this right here is my school, my high school stuff. So when I go here, I can go and see my classrooms that I have set up in the morning. So here, see? So it makes it really, when I switch to the other browser, it's our class. So I don't mix the two, okay? All right, so we're gonna go to the, either you can click on the plus sign and select PowerPoint, or go to the waffle, PowerPoint, or like a 3 ways of doing it, or just click on PowerPoint right here in the icon. They all do the same exact thing. So I click on PowerPoint, it takes me to PowerPoint. And the first thing PowerPoint wants to do is, let me know if I want to start a new blank presentation. And your local library is featuring information about national parks. Your travel club is planning to visit Yellowstone Park next year, and you decide to gather some general information to present to the club. You create the slides shown in figure 380, which is the ones that we're gonna recreate. And then it says run PowerPoint, and they wanted us to open it, but we're gonna go ahead and just create it from scratch, okay? So I'll make it easier. So let's go ahead and open a blank new presentation. And the title of this is Visit Yellowstone National Park. I don't know if any of you have ever been there. Yellowstone National Park.
Mr. Vasquez, what page are you on?
On the textbook, I'm on page 170. And the last
70?
70, 170. It's called,
But that's under Excel. Is that what that's what it is?
don't forget that you have to go to PPT 170. Each one has a different page number, and it's orange, the
Oh,
pages.
I see. Okay. I'm sorry. Thank you very much.
No problem. And then on the subtitle, it was established in 1872. That's like a whole statement. Yes, Linda. Established in 1872. There's like bullets at these things. I don't know, it's very strange. It's not quite a title. Don't forget, if you're not asking a question, can you mute yourself? National Park. Huh. This is lowercase, I guess. They don't have it with uppercase. They have it with lowercase. Another, it's located in Wyoming. Square miles. All right, so that's what it says.
I mean, and I mean,
Say something here. Actually, it's already out too. I don't want. Okay, so all right. So let me know if you're done with it, and I'll tell you what we're gonna do with this thing.
Yep, done.
thanks.
The first line is established in 1872, America's first national park, located in Wyoming, small portion of Montana and Idaho. I guess also is part of it. And then it spans 3,468 square miles, 0.4 square miles. So it's huge. I only seen the show. I don't know if you guys know there's a show on TV for Yellowstone. And you guys haven't seen that show? What's the name of what's the name of some I forgot the name of the channel. It's one of those channels. And the actor is what's his name? I have forgot this guy's name. The guy who was in the movie was he in? A lot of movies. No, not Clint Eastwood, the other guy. It's kind of like as famous as him. Uh, oh, I forgot completely. I'll come back to me. It's all age. It's all right. But anyway, so if you're done with it, this is what we need to do with it. The first thing is change the layout because I'm seeing that the layout on the slide is completely different. So this is what we're gonna do, class. Let's find first before I guess the design. The design that it has is an orange design. So if I go right here and it has some lines trying to match what it's something like this. Look at this one is called what's this one? Frame. It has these frame lines, but then it's orange. So we switch to the variant 4. That's how it is. See that?
No, do it again.
So find that variant first. And I'm sorry, the frame is the name of the, no, slice. I'm sorry, slice, not frame, slice. Slice is the name of the design and the variant number 4.
Mr. Vasquez, my variant number 4 is gray.
Then you're on the wrong design. No,
When
it's
I hit the arrow, it still only has the full, oh, I see.
so the lines you should have the lines that you see here on my thing. These lines.
Well, when I pick variant 2, where do you get 4?
Variant 4, because there's 4 variants.
I only have 3 variants.
Because remember, you need to have your window maximized. You don't see all.
Okay, sorry.
You should have like a little arrow that will show you all of them.
Excuse me, teacher. Can we save it?
Yeah, if you want to. If you want to save it. Remember, as you're creating it, it says in real time. This is not like your computer.
Oh, okay.
So I don't even work on saving until the end. It's fine.
You already save it.
If you already save it, good, okay. What's the name of it? The name is Lab 31 Yellowstone is the name of it. Now, once we do this, what they want us to do. Let me see if it changes. If I go to the home tab and then on the layout, if I do the layout, title only. See what happens. Okay, see that's what we need to do. Okay, class. I went to layout and change it to title only. And look at where I put my title on the bottom, and then it made bullets with the other thing that I was saying you that they were like bullets. So that's what we need to do. Okay. So notice my bullets right here.
Oh.
Yeah, the subtitle into bullets. That's what we want.
You did it in the home tab?
No, yeah, I went to the home tab layout and then selected title only. You put the title on the bottom, but I just put it up on the top. That's how it is on the textbook. Exactly the way you see it here.
I don't get it when you say title only. You mean the frame?
No, go to layout. No, that was the design. Go to the layout on the home tab if you're done with the design. And
Okay,
then select, look at on my screen, title only.
okay.
Mr. Vasquez, but, the part that is visit Yellowstone National Park, it's on top of all the dots.
Grab it and put it on the top of the very top, like I did.
How do I do that?
Mr. Vasquez, it's Linda. Every single person's kind of home tab is a little bit different, and I suspect mine is included in that. And based on that, excuse me, I am in my home, I am in design, but the layout pattern did not come up. So I know I'm in the correct tab, but
Wait a minute, go to the home tab.
yeah, I am at the home tab.
And then where it says slides, there's one that says layout.
Do you mean to the new slides or, oh, I see. Oh, that's different. Thank you. Okay, okay.
Go to
Got it.
layout. Right here, click on layout and select title only. And it will rearrange information and create the bullets.
And can we change the bullets?
Um, I don't even mess with them. Whatever
And added a slide.
if you start messing around with the things, you know, all kinds of bad stuff is gonna happen. I remember last week Eileen wasn't getting the bullets. The more she tried, Eileen and I think it was somebody else was not getting the bullets. I think it was Paula. Also.
I'm sorry, I probably did something wrong. I didn't get the bullet.
Mr. Vasquez?
Undo if you make a mistake. Undo, okay. Always undo is your best friend.
My bullets look different than yours. That doesn't matter, right?
No, it doesn't matter. I don't know if
Okay.
the same design because the bullets. I didn't put the bullets. The bullets are part of the design.
Yeah, I have the same design, but the bullets, I get the little squares, and I was the one that had the same problem last time.
Yeah, see that I have no
I just want to make sure it's okay.
control, no knowledge. I don't even know why you guys get different than me. I don't pay a subscription to this thing at all. It's just, you know, I'm using the free stuff just like you guys are. So,
Mr. Vasquez?
yes, so
Excuse me.
I don't know why.
You know, I cannot get the same layout variant that you have. I'm in design
Wait a
and
minute. Layouts is one thing. You're talking about the design. So go back to design. Look at
I'm
my.
in
I'm gonna do it. Design, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna right here. There's a little arrow next to the designs that opens up the all the features of the other designs. The list of all the designs. I'm looking for this one that says slice.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
You
The
click on
slice, yes.
slice design, and then once you do that, next to it are the variants. There's 4 variants for that design. Some designs only have 3. This one has 4 variants. We're gonna use variant number 4, which is orange.
Okay.
You don't see
All
that?
right.
Click on the little arrow, so it gives you the list of all the variants. Because if I have look at if I have a I'm sorry, let me just if I have a reduced window, it might not give me all the options. I guess it did. But see, sometimes when you have a reduced window, it doesn't give you all the options. So you have to like, kind of
You know, I don't know why, but it worked this time. My variant 4 was the orange, but before my variant 4 was a black and gray and I couldn't switch it over, so it worked.
you had a different design. If you have a different design, it'll give you different variants. Now look at, once you check the variant, go back to the home tab
Uh-huh.
and locate the layout, which is on the section for slides. You click on layout and we select title only. This is gonna rearrange your content. It's gonna put this title on the bottom. Just grab it, and you grab it by dragging the border. Look at anywhere in the border. See how I can move it around when my mouse turns into a 4-pointed arrow. See, I can move it around. I cannot move it from here. It won't move. I have to go right here, and then I can move it. Okay, because remember it's a text box. So in order
I can't find
grab a
layout.
box, you have to grab it from kind of like from the corners to move it. Remember this box is open in the middle. So if you try to grab it's just I'm trying to show you this analogy. If you try to grab a box from the inside, which is open, you're not gonna be able to grab it right. You have to grab it from the sides. So that's basically what we're doing here. We'll grab it from the sides right here and make up the box. Okay. So you were not able to find this layout?
No. I've opened my screen now, but I don't know where to find the layout.
Wait a minute, are you on home tab? Click on home
Yes,
first.
I'm on home.
You see this right here? The first one is the undo section, then it says clipboard, and then delete section, and then the slides. You see the slides?
I see new slide.
I know, you should see layout.
Oh, I
It's-
see layout now. I see layout.
Click on that and then look for title only.
Title only, okay.
It's gonna rearrange your content, and then go ahead and move the title to the top like I did.
It's not doing anything. It's not changing it. Oh, I changed layout. Okay. Oh, my visit Yellowstone Park is on the bottom now.
That's exactly what I said it was gonna happen. So move it to the top like I did. It happened to all of us. So now once you do that, look at, we're ready now to insert slide number 2.
Okay.
So let's go to slide number 2. Now we click on new slide. And for this, I guess we want title only for all of them. And the title is All Faithful. And it's all caps. I just realized that it's all caps, all faith.
Layout's gonna be on this one, the same?
Title only.
Okay.
But when you select the new slide, you just put title only. And this is our title. Now, look at what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna kind of like resize the title here because they wanted it like this on 2, and then they want it on this side somehow. Okay. Want it right here. Because we're gonna have a picture over here. Right there, somewhere right here. We're gonna change the color later. Right now, we're just using whatever color that the design gave us, which is white.
How did I drag it to the corner?
Remember that once again the box. You have to grab the box from the borders to make up the box. You can't grab it from the inside because it's empty. So look at when the mouse turns into these pointed arrows, is where
Grab
you.
these.
That's
You
right.
can't to move up here. He said to grab it by here.
Look at where I'm.
Oh, no, that's not what you have to.
How do you grab it?
Okay, move. See how the cursor changes when you're on the little corner? No, go back to the corner. See how it's the pluses in all the directions?
Uh-huh.
There.
Oh, okay.
Who told you that?
No, he didn't. He
Yeah.
just keeps doing it.
No, I was showing it. Don't forget to I said.
Does it have right in the corner like that?
Yeah, if you look on the textbook on page 171, PPT 171, as slide number 2, it has it on this side. It's different color. We'll change the color later on. Okay.
Okay, well, something happened to mine because now it says click to add content underneath the title.
I don't have that message though. Go and do in case you need something.
Okay.
Now for the next thing, we're gonna put we're gonna add a subtitle, but it's not subtitle really when we want a text box. So we're gonna go to the insert and locate text box. Mine is right here. Look at it. It has a letter A, like a little box with a letter A inside. Right here. So I don't know where in yours it should be in the same place. But I'm finding out that sometimes you guys have it in different places. So I'm gonna click on that and it gave me a little box, see? So this little box, I'm gonna put it right here and then type the following in this box.
Oh, Mr. Vasquez, that's the one I had, but I deleted it.
Okay, so you didn't select the title only layout?
Yes.
Perhaps, copy. is all caps. Ah, shit.
Mine doesn't work that way.
Has to be all caps. Let's see where you change the cap. Oh, right here. Don't forget it's all caps. I think we can change case right here, uppercase. It's all uppercase like this, okay? Approximately every. Minutes. Be like this, like 3 lines, erupts approximately every 91 minutes. It's right underneath this thing, right there. And we're gonna have pictures. So, but right now we're just creating the slides, and then we're gonna add the pictures.
How do you get that little box again to put that over there?
I can go to insert, and it's the text box, the one I have circled on my thing. So on the insert menu is text box. For slide number 3, again, the same thing. We go to the home tab, go to new slide, and we're just getting title only, okay? Oh, wait a minute, no, this one is gonna be title and content. Title and content. For number 3 is title and content. Okay, so the title is gonna be, even though it's on the bottom, and now that's what they wanted. So all caps again. Oh, wait a minute, shoot. It's not, this is title only. Let me change the layout. See, I already have the layout, title and content, but I can go to the layout and change it back to title only. That's how they want it, okay? Title only. So change the layout if you did it up. Then I got it confused with 4. 4 is the one they want both. So this one, 2. Answers. Routing. Yep. Our
What do you
title.
call-
Don't forget that if you have title and content, just go to layout and change that to title only. And it will give you the title here in the bottom, but they want it on the top right here. And look at how I'm gonna resize it. So it's on 3 lines, 4 lines actually, they want it. 2 geysers, right there. That's how they want it, oops. It has to be 4 lines like this. That's how they want this thing. So you have to resize it until you have it in the 1 word per line. So I have 4 lines and four words. 2 geysers erupting together. This one doesn't have a subtitle. was the picture that we're gonna insert at the end when we're done with all the slides. So recapping, this is slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3. And then for slide number 4 is the one I was telling you that it's actually title and content for this one, okay? So we go new slide, title and content. When you insert a new slide, it asks you how you wanna, what kind of layout you want for that new slide. This one, we're gonna put Yellowstone. Remember, everything is in caps, okay? Has abundant wildlife. Let's stretch it out so it fits all in one line here. Yellowstone has abundant wildlife. Then we're ready to put our bullets in the list of our wolves, grizzly bears, this one it wants it lowercase. I don't want to type it again. I can use this thing to change the case to capitalize each word. I might capitalize. I'm just gonna reduce the size of the bullets because we're gonna put pictures here of the animals. So there you have it. That's slide number 4. Wolves, grizzly bears, herds of
They're not bullets, teacher.
Huh?
They're like arrows, little arrows.
Mhm. That's what he gave me. I didn't choose those.
Oh, okay.
He gave you different.
Can we leave it like that, or we can put the arrows?
No, don't mess around with it. If he gave you different bullets, that's fine.
Okay.
But I'm looking at on the textbook. That's exactly the type of bullets that the design will give you.
Oh.
If somehow you have the same design as giving you different bullets, then I don't know.
Uh-huh.
That part I have no control over it. So don't let that bother you. Just move on. Okay. So don't worry about it.
Okay.
Let's go to the next slide. Slide number 5 is our last slide. This one is also gonna be title and content, okay? Because it's gonna have bullets too. So I'm gonna go new slide, title and content, okay? And for slide number 5, the title is just the opposite. Title is on top and the content is on the bottom. So we're gonna type it first and then we can move it around. I'm just gonna resize this so it fits in one line right there. And then here we're gonna put the list of fish that are there. And remember how we did the we call it the level, the increase level. So we're gonna increase the level. Look at right there, and we're gonna put Yellowstone.
Sorry, can you repeat that again?
Yeah, and we will press this button right here for increasing the bullet. Remember, we increase the level.
I don't see it.
Yeah, it's right. It's a very tiny little arrow right here.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
And for increasing the indent, and it was gonna move the next bullet forward to show that that is a list and it belongs to that list. Yellowstone cutthroat. Trout. Also west slope. Am I running? West slope. Yes, there. Well, it was separated, but it's just one word on this thing. And now once we go to this one, we're gonna decrease it back so it aligns to the other one. Look at, send it back. Now is the next list. Oops. Forward again.
Mhm.
So are the two categories. You got native fish species, and there's a Yellowstone cutthroat trout, the West Slope trout, say it many times. And then the second species there, the non-native or non-native fish species, which is brook trout, brown trout, lake trout, and the rainbow trout. Right. So I'm gonna reduce the size right here about this much. And that's how they want it. Exactly the way you see it. Oh no, you know, the title goes on the top. So I can move the title to the top and then drag this to the bottom. I have pictures right here. That's all that size. Right at 7. I don't have time for that. Coffee break. All we'll have left to do is just put the nice pictures and all that.
Mr. Vasquez, my title won't go up. It keeps turning upside down. And
You know
I'm
what?
not hitting the round little thing.
Let me tell you why. When you click right here, if I grab this, look at, don't grab the little circles. If I grab this circle, look at what's gonna happen, Barbara. See that?
Yeah. But
It's like I'm grabbing something from the top and I'm just flipping it over. So you have to
okay.
grab right here, look at, away from those handles they call them. See?
Okay.
I grab from there, I can move it around.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Let me get my timer ready and we can do a quick 10-minute break. So you guys can go drink your coffee and stop the share. Zoom recording, switch back to the slides, and we have so far 5 slides, no pictures. Look at what we're gonna do first. Let's go to slide number 1. The slide number 1, they want us to change the title to is green. So if I highlight it right here and I can color it just a regular solid green, okay? You got light green and green, the green. And then bold. And that's how they want it. Visit Yellowstone National Park. And the size, let me see, it says the size, it doesn't tell me the size on the text for any of them. But I guess increase the size of the picture. No, well, it's just the size of the pictures, but it doesn't say the size of the text. That's 36. How about if we go, let's see if we can go 48, see how big it is. And then stretch it out. Yeah, it's 48.
It's 48.
48 just to stretch it out. All right. And this text is actually black, not brown.
Mr. Vasquez, I'm sorry to interrupt, but my screen froze.
Oh,
Let's just wait a little bit and make sure that it comes back. If not, refresh it. Remember, it saves in real time. It should be there. So this text should be black. And also, I don't know if it's bold too, because it looks thicker. Yeah, it's probably bold. Like that. So bold.
no colors?
No. For the text, it's black and bold. And then this one, it should be green. And this one is actually on this side. Somehow they put it on this side. So I'm just gonna move it to this side right here. All right, now we're ready to put the picture in. The picture of the of Yellowstone. So if we go to insert pictures from Bing or Bing Pictures, we're looking for Yellowstone Park. Let's see what we get.
We're gonna move to the right side.
Yeah, move it to the right because I'm gonna show you where the picture goes. So I see the picture is kind of like this. This picture right here is actually the one they have. Look at this one. On this, it's the same one of the see where the nice waterfall is going. Like this one too. Well, anything that has a waterfall. So national park.
Pictures.
This one actually is also, they're all the same. It's just different views of the same image. So find one that you like. It's this one right here. See, but it's huge. So we're gonna put it this big right here.
Wow, qué bonito.
We can delete this. Delete the caption if you can. Remember, you have to just click on the border and then delete it, but it's not happening. Trying to delete the caption here, no. Wow. Somebody said that cut there, cut it. All right, so and then we're gonna look at once you resize it, make sure that it aligns to this side right here, this corner, and then this corner here. Oops. So it has to be fitting this side. Right there. It's about that much, well, a little bit more, and then expand it about this much. So we just have this little area here. And then we'll have to put it behind it. Remember how to do that?
Mhm.
We'll send backward, send back, so the title comes up. That's how they have it. Now this thing, notice even though it's black and you can see it, we'll have to give it a background to this thing. Not sure how to do that. At first, enlarge the picture this big. You're gonna have only like one little piece here, maybe, what is it, about 15–20% of the area uncovered, and the rest of it is covered by the picture. Make sure the picture lines up with the slide on the top and on the bottom. You have to like kind of resize it using those handles, those little circles to do that. Once you do that, you click on the image and then you go to picture, and then it says the order is right there. That's where we're gonna do the order right here. So it's bring backward, send backwards. The orders are right here. The order that we're looking for is this order. And it will send the picture back, and then your text will come out. Find a picture. Any picture of Yellowstone Park is fine.
Do we have to highlight anything to bring the?
No, just the picture. Make sure you have the picture selected.
Okay.
Go to picture and then send back. We're sending the picture back behind everything, behind the text. So that way the text comes up forward. All right, so once you do that, everybody done with the picture?
No, just a minute. Just a minute.
You still selecting the picture? Just any,
Say, send back.
send back the picture so that way all the text will come forward.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so where did I go to switch the picture?
You have to click on the picture and then click on picture. You know how all the word picture comes up here in red. You click on that and then you can go to the section for send back.
Teacher, the black letters, the little ones, they don't look
No,
right.
we're gonna do something to it right now. That's why I'm waiting for everybody to get their picture, send
Oh, okay.
it behind backwards, and then we can work on the little text.
And I click on shape.
No, it's not shape. It should be picture. It should be picture. And then send back.
Okay.
I keep hitting send back on mine and it's still in the same place. I've clicked in the center of the picture and it doesn't move.
No, it's not gonna move. Dude. Your text is gonna come forward.
No, it's still in the same place, Mr. Vasquez.
Covering the text.
Monday?
You see your text?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, then it's fine. That's all you need to do. As long as the text is not, well, the picture is not on top of the text, so that's how it's gonna be at the beginning. But when you send back, then the picture is behind the text. And that's how we
No,
want.
it's still there in a little cuadrito.
Meaning that you don't see the words Yellowstone National Park?
I can see Yellowstone, but the picture is very small and it's like separate, like you put it in there.
Don't forget to resize it first to cover as much as you see on mine. It has to cover
Okay.
this kind of like 80% of the picture.
Okay.
I already did that, but it just the bottom part is the one switch, but not the Visit Yellowstone National Park.
Do it again. So click on the picture again. Just do it again until everything should be sent. The picture should be sent back, and everything else should be sent forward. If somehow you send the text backwards again, then click on the text and then send it forward.
Mr. Vasquez, what design is this?
Hmm. Let me see, Barbara. Well, Barbara had a question. What was your question, Barbara?
I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but so my bullets that we did to the right and I did undo already, they're all zigzag. They're not in an order, you know, in one line. Like yours are all straight in one line. Mine are one short, smaller, longer, shorter, smaller. It got all out of order when I resized the picture.
Oh, that's strange.
Yeah.
You have to fix them at the end. Marina, what was your question?
Ya se durmió mi comadre.
Marina, what was your question?
Ya se fue. Marina. Nope.
Maybe
I'm here.
Oh,
what was your
teacher? Oh, I'm sorry.
I just asked a question, that's all.
no?
I
But
just want to know what design.
oh, the design. The design is called what was it called? Let's see. I think it was called
What?
it's called slice. And
Oh.
with number 4. Slice and variant number 4.
I'm sorry, you broke up, Mr. Ross, because I didn't understand what you said.
Slice is the name of the design, and the variant is variant number 4. Slice and then variant number 4.
Okay, thank you.
Now look at, if you were able to send up the picture back, your text should be now in front. But you notice that the black text, the bullets, you can't even see them. So we need to change also the shape for the bullets. Look at what I'm gonna do here first. I'm gonna click on the bullet box, this little box, and I'm gonna go shape, and then I'm gonna do shape fill. And according to this here is green. See that, green? Notice how I make it green? So I'm gonna make it green. Now I can see my bullets. You see that?
Oh.
I see that. So again,
Do that again?
let me do it again. The first thing I did is I said, let me undo it so you guys see how I did it from the beginning.
Shape.
I said, we can even see the bullets, but we're gonna have to do the following. So we're gonna click on the bullets, and then you're gonna click on shape. The same way you have picture, now you have shape. Click on shape,
fill.
and then it says shape fill, and then pick the green. And then magically your bullets are gonna appear really nice. And I just resized the bullets so we'll have a little bit of a space right there. I'm looking at the textbook, and that's how it has a little bit there. So that's how it needs to look. See how nice? With that little bit, it looks beautiful now.
Can we do that?
Mr. Vasquez, I
Yeah.
probably did something wrong. I click on the shape and it doesn't do anything.
So you click on shapes,
Yes.
and then it has that shape field right here.
How do we do that? Green square?
Shape field. You click on the box it's a text box. Remember I told you it's a text box. You click on the text box, and then on the top it's gonna say shapes. So you then the next thing you do is right here, shape. You click on shape and then click on fill, shape fill, and look for the solid green.
Got it, thanks.
Yeah, it looks, and then kind of resize it a little bit. And it looks really nice.
Are you gonna leave the picture like that or you're gonna resize it?
No, that's how they want the picture. I'm looking at the textbook, and that's exactly how they want it.
What number is
Page 171, PPT 171. Look at it in your textbook, and it looks really pretty much close. Even though
71?
I don't think it's green. I think it's blue, but I like it on green. So if you want to make
Yeah.
it,
It matched with the yellow, the other letters on the top.
Mhm. All right. So that will complete number one, slide number one. So let me just clear all these circles here. And let's go to slide number two. Okay. So look at how nice the slide number one looks now. So we're moving on to slide number two. And first, this one is a dark green or dark blue. I don't know, I'm blind. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the text first. We have dark green. Yeah, dark green. We have green. Like that, maybe. And then bold. It's a little darker, but it's fine. We're just gonna leave it like that. And this one is correct, but it's italicized. So we'll have to italize all these words. So italics, and I think bold too. And that's it. Italics and bold. This one is a darker green or darker blue. I didn't. Maybe this one, dark blue. Like that. Oh yeah, like that. See, it's a dark blue. So find a dark blue. I mean a dark green is way in the bottom here. It's green as my darker 50%. Yeah.
Green.
And then this one has a different picture. It has a picture of the Old Faithful. There's actually I think that is called the Old Faithful. So let me show you. Insert pictures, Bing pictures, and it's all. I guess we have to put Yellowstone. All Faithful.
Excuse me, Mr. Vasquez, but what color did you make Old Faithful, the words?
They were dark blue, dark green. Here
Dark
is
green?
is this exact picture that they're showing. Where is it? Any of these pictures, this huge thing is called All Faithful. All. The one that you like the best is the one we want to use. But all this will work. Any of this is fine. Oh, this one has a name actually. That's why I was asking if you guys ever been there. All right, I'm gonna look for this.
No, it's on my bucket list.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've been there.
You've been there?
Oh. Is it
Alright.
beautiful?
It is. It's really beautiful. It's worth the drive over there.
What do you type on that one? Old fashioned or faithful?
But you have to put, I guess, well, that's the name of it, I guess.
Old faithful?
And resize it about this big. And then we're gonna apply a nice, one of these styles here. Let me see the style, is this style. The style is called Reflected Perspective Right. That one. See that, how it looks like that? Like sideways? That's the one they want. So let me just kind of shrink it a little bit because it's not too big. That's the one. Find the right size. I want that reflection to show.
What's the name of the style again?
The style is called reflected perspective right.
Okay, thank you.
Reflective perspective right. And it looks really nice. Look at that.
Yes.
What is that under? Design?
No, this is the for the picture. Get the
Right.
picture first and then go picture styles. Remember that picture styles. Picture styles is where you find this.
Where did I find that?
Picture styles. Once you put the picture, you click on picture and it gives you the styles. Picture styles. We done this several times. That's sure, man. Like George Lopez used to say, remember? You remember? No, we done it before. So this should be like an easy one.
What is that called? Oh, is that reflective right?
Yeah, reflective perspective right. I think it's just right. But look at it like sideways. Like you turn it sideways, the effect, really nice, beautiful effect. I love that effect. And the border, look at, they want us to change the border to, picture border to white. So white, I think it looks white, let me see. And then increase the weight. Increase it to 2 points. No, it's 4 points, I guess. Increase it the weight to 4 points. See that? Notice a white border around it. So what I did is I changed the border to white and increase the weight to 4 points. Once you do the style, you add the nice white border around it. I don't know if it looks white, but it looks white or grayish. Let's see how it looks gray. I think it's gray. It is gray, huh? Yeah, it's gray now, white gray. So the border is gray, this right here. Oops, where's gray? Right here?
I can find the metal oval teacher.
Huh?
I can find the metal oval.
For the style, no, the style is called reflected perspective right. And don't forget to change the picture border to this one. I think it's white text darker 50%. White text darker. And the weight, let's set it up to 4 points. And it's the weight is the size of the border. Notice my border now is grayish and size 4. And I'm looking at the textbook and it's how they wanted it. I just read that it says style border weight change. So we have to change the weight of the border.
Where did you get the size of the border and the color of the border to change it?
Picture again, and next to the styles, next to picture styles is the border, the color and the border, picture border color and the weight. The weight should be 4 points. So once again, right here, this is the picture border. I selected this one, grayish, this is white, darker 50%. And then the weight is 4 points right here.
The picture, it should be under home because I don't see it anymore.
The picture, you click on the picture and then go to picture again.
Okay. Then picture. And you want it gray?
Yeah, it says the gray next to the black at the very bottom. It's white and then it's darker 50%.
Okay.
And the size of the weight, meaning the size of the border should be 4 points. 4.5 points.
Why would they call it the size as the weight when it actually should be the width? Wouldn't it be the width?
But because it's a border, I guess they call it weight.
That makes it a little confusing sometimes.
It does.
Okay, thank you. They don't make it easy.
No. Especially this stuff. All right. And the reason why they want to show you all these features, so you know that all the stuff is there to enhance your content, is the whole idea. Not that they want to make your life harder, as some of you might think. They
Yeah.
just want that you guys see all these beautiful options to enhance your content.
Yep. And once you get it, it's easy to navigate through, but till you find it, until you understand it, that's the difficult part.
Yeah, let's everybody done with the 2 slides. So we got 1 slide. Look at how nice. I love the way it looks. And then number 2 one looks really, really beautiful too. And then number 3. So we're going to number 3. And it's the same color we use for this color, the darker green. So let's go ahead and change the text first to the darker green right here, this one. And bold it. Okay, so it has to be bold too. And then we need to, and this one we just need a picture of it's 2 geysers. It says it's all faithful, but is this one? Look at. Let me show you here. Insert is the one with that it shows the two geysers erupting together. So is has people, but it has the 2 geysers erupting together. I just saw the picture right now, and I was looking for the other one. Is this one? Make sure it shows the 2 geysers. Oh, here it is.
Sixth row.
This one has that 2, but I don't know if it's the same one. This one shows that 2. The one you guys have. Look exactly like the one they're showing here. So let me try another one here. So you put 2 geysers, so I want a picture where it shows the 2 geysers. So find a picture where it shows the 2 geysers, and then you're good. I'm only seeing one on these pictures.
I put in Yellowstone Old Faithful 2 geysers side by side, and I found something.
2.
Do what?
2 geysers side by side, Old Faithful. And I found
I only saw the one that I didn't like. We need that too because we have to put a little arrow pointing in each one.
Don't sleep.
Oh, here it is. This is the one. Look at class. This is the picture that we need actually because he has, it's exactly the same picture. See this right here? Has the two little pinpointed. Let me see what's the name of this picture.
Yeah, I got that.
That is the picture. I don't know what I put exactly what Linda did, and this is the picture. Look at, right? So
Mhm.
So get your
this is the picture they have.
So where did you put Mr. Vasquez?
I guess we put uh the what was the search? Let me need the search.
Yellowstone Old Faithful, 2 geysers, side by side.
And this is the one you got also? Because this is the one they have on the textbook. That's exactly the one because they have the arrows here pointing at each one.
Interesting, now it's gone. I retyped it and it's gone. Sorry about that, you
I
guys.
found it way down the bottom. Doing the same search. Look at that. I'll go back to the search. Because I type exactly as you were saying it, I was typing it.
Yeah, and then I typed it and then it kind of disappeared. I had it and then I couldn't, now it's not back. So who knows what happened.
2 lasers side by side. And then when I did enter on that search, it didn't come out right away. It was way at the bottom.
Yeah.
I kept scrolling down big time until I saw it. I just kept going down, 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 and way down the bottom. I saw it.
That's what I did, but now it has gone away.
I can find it again. Because it was way down the bottom. I went down the whole list of all these things. And I saw it.
And did it resurface for you now once you uploaded it?
I don't see it no more.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened to me. So I can't find it again.
Creative Commons. See, I took out the word Creative Commons and let's see what I get.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it will come out. I'm just trying something else.
Okay.
Here it is. Yeah, it came out that way too. If you take out Creative Commons, it will come out.
Okay.
It's this one. Look at that's this one right here.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, it does. You're right.
So take out Creative Commons and it will come out. And it looks like this. And it has a black border also. So we're gonna just on the styles, just add the style that has the black border. Just this right here. Thick matte black. Well, not that huge. This is huge. I don't think it's that big though. The border is not that huge. So let me see. I think it's this one. Moderate frame black. This one. That's the one. Okay. That was too big. But look at that. We got it. Exactly as the textbook. I'm looking at the textbook and it looks exactly the same. That's the one. Moderate frame black, yeah. Moderate frame black is the one we need for that one. This is a five frame. Okay. Now we have to apply a few animations. So, but look at how nice. I like it. So this one, I was looking at that. We have to write this arrows better. The picture itself has the arrows already. The Old Faithful Gazer and the Beehive Gazer. So there's 2. It's a National Park Service photo. I type what it says right here. All Faithful Gazer. Next predicted. Okay. Yeah, it's a picture from their camera, you know, their monitoring camera.
On again.
About 10 minutes. If we can do one more, and then we can finish it on Thursday.
Ay, qué pronto.
The time flies. So this is really nice. I like this one too. But over the other, all of them, I like this one better. I like the way the picture looks. And the first one too. All right, so for number 4, if anybody needs more time for 3.
I do. That's okay, you can go on. Just tell me what border you used.
We'll wait for you. But I used it moderate border, so moderate frame black.
That's okay, go on, I'll do it later.
Were you able to find the picture or no?
I got a picture, I think it's the same one, but it's a different picture. But it's 2 geysers. I couldn't find the one that you did.
Yeah, this one is the one that has already the, see, notice how it has the arrows? They did this for us.
Yeah, I don't have the arrows.
Yeah, look for the one with the arrows, with the search that we use.
I did, I went on and I didn't find them, but I got that one, but it doesn't have the arrows and it doesn't have the people.
Yeah. That is funny.
That's okay. I'm just going, that's okay. And it's new modern, is that what you put on it? For the border?
Oh, this, the border is not a border, it's the picture style. The style is called moderate frame black. Moderate frame black.
Okay, go on to the next frame. I'll put that in later. I'll just go to the next one.
All right, so next slide right here. This is slide number 4. On this one, they have the picture of a bear and a picture of a wolf, which are the 2 most prominent wildlife found in Yellowstone. So wolves and grizzly bear. So let's go in and find, you know, whichever you want first, the grizzly bear or the wolf first. Let's find the grizzly bear first. On the list, it says wolves first. Huh? Let's find a wolf. A wolf. But it has says wolf. I'm trying to find the one that try to find the Yellowstone wolf. That's one of them. Because you can see the snow on it. Creative line. Thanks. Oh, look at any of this with them. I like this one actually, but it's not the one in the picture. But the one in the picture is it's like this, walking. Like this too.
Oh, I found that picture.
The same one?
Yeah.
All right.
Keep going down.
Why?
Um,
Oh,
it's under Yellowstone Wolf.
okay. So let me try it again. I think that's what I put, but
It's about halfway down, I think. And it's in the middle. Wait, go back up a minute. Mine's not there, but is that the one?
this one
I
is.
have another one. It's in the middle.
It's okay, but it's this one. Yeah, class, if you can find this picture, that's the one they have.
Cool.
That's about this big. Let's put Yellowstone Wolf, and this will come out. This one has a round border, the oval, this one, metal oval. Like that. Right here, and then a grizzly bear over here. So I guess we'll have to put Yellowstone grizzly bear. So I have the two pictures that we need, okay? It's grizzly bear. And the one we have is there's the one, no, it's something like this, but it's just the face basically. If I don't find it, I'll just put another one. Find the exact ones, but if we can, then take out the creative thing here. It's either something like this or this, but he's very like this one kind of thing. I don't see the exact picture. It's okay. You know, we can put another one. One that is just a face. Even this would do. I'm not gonna worry about not finding the correct one. This will do. This one is gonna be square. This one, that moderate frame. That's how they want it. So one right here and the other one right next to it. They're actually like this. Look at this one should be bring to front. They're like one on top of the other one. That's how they, you know, they want you to do it. So one is on top of the other one again. Overlaying the other one, see?
What's the name of the frame?
This one is a moderate frame black, and this one is the oval shape, or how was it? This one, metal oval. Metal oval, it's called. So there you have it. And kind of like if you can put it like that, that would be nice. And then we can save this thing because I haven't saved mine, so I'm just gonna put the name they want us to use as lab 31, lab 3-1, and then Yellowstone.
I couldn't find the same wolf you put in the,
Don't worry about it.
any?
Yeah, any wolf walking like that.
Okay.
Put a little marker here because we just have like a little bit more to do and then we're done with it. Just here.
Can't find it.
Just find a different one, it's fine. Remember, don't stress out. It's already 8. Barbara is
Uh-oh.
worry for us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Let me stop the share here.
Have a good night.
Good night.